Hey, what's going on guys, Pizzalekov here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can improve any video by using color grading and turning this into this. So without wasting more time, let's go straight to my laptop. Inside Premiere Pro I have already loaded this 4K free video that I'm using from Adobe Stock. So the next thing I'll do is go to color, and from here you can see on the left hand side that I've got this RGB form and the waveform Lumi. The RGB form is about checking your white balance, and the waveform Lumi is to check your brightest and darkest parts of your video. But if you don't want to see them on your workspace, you can click on this setting icon, and from there you can deselect them by clicking on both parades or the waveform. After that, make sure you have selected the video and go to the right hand side where is the metric color panel. From there I'm gonna go down to the blacks and go down below 0 to -3.5, and also I'm gonna do the same with the whites. I go below 0 -1.8, and I'll increase the shadow to 15.8, and also I increase the highlights to 35.1. After that I'm gonna go to the white balance selector, and by clicking on the eyedrop icon I'll click onto the deer horns, and like that automatically you're gonna get a better white balance color in your video. Next I'll go down to saturation and bump up a little bit to 121. Once we've done adjusting the colors to the main video, I'm gonna go to the project panel, and from there I'm gonna click with the second button of the mouse and go to new item. From there I'm gonna create a new adjustment layer. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna grab the adjustment layer and place it above my video, and also resize it so it can match the length of the original video. After we've done that, I'm gonna go to effects. And by the way, if you can't see effects on your workspace, you can go up to Windows and click on effects, and straight away you're going to find this somewhere on your workspace. Then as I said, I'm going to go to effects and type in Lumetri color. From there I'm going to grab the Lumetri color effects and apply it to the adjustment layer. After that, make sure you select the adjustment layer and move up to the Lumetri color panel. From there I'm going to go to curves and go straight to RGB curves, where I can play around with the shadows, midtones and highlights. So first I'm gonna create dots to the shadows, then another one for the midtones, and the last one for the highlights. After that I'm gonna go to the shadow and drag it a little bit further down. I'm gonna do the same with the midtones like that, and pull up the highlights. After we're done with that, I'm gonna go to the HSL secondary, and from here I'm gonna go to key. Next I'm gonna select the eyedrop icon and select the green color. By doing this, we're selecting the color which we want to improve into our video, and in this case it's the green. Then I'm gonna play around with the slides like that. Gonna move it further left. Gonna go to the S, and from here I'm gonna play around furthermore, and I'm gonna go down to L. Okay, I'll leave it like that. Then I'm gonna go to the refine, increase the denoise up to 25, and also I'm gonna increase the blur to, let's say, 7.6. Then I'm gonna go down to correction, and I'm gonna show what this HSL secondary does to the green color. So if I move this to the red, you can see how the green became red, and it has only impact onto the green color. But I'm gonna move it further down to the green so we can make the green color richer like that. I'm quite happy with this, and also I'm gonna move the highlight a little bit further up like that, and as you can see now the green it's much better. After we're done with that, I'm gonna go down to contrast and increase it a little bit, and also the saturation. Perfect. Once we've done with that, I'm gonna go back to curves, go down to hue saturation curves, and go down to luma versus saturation, and I'm gonna create two dots into that line, and move the first one a little bit further down like that. And after we're done with that, the last thing we'll do is go to creatives, and from here we can increase the sharpen and also the saturation like that. And boom, That's how you improve the colors in your video and make them look better. So let's see how it looks before and after we apply the color grading correction. And with that, I'll conclude this Premiere Pro tutorial. If you want to see more like this, you can check the videos at the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.